Hi everyone. In this lecture, we will learn what is HTML. So it stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the language of the web. It is used to structure web pages and tell the browser how to display them. You can consider HTML as the skeleton of the web page. It was designed by Sir Tim Berners-Lee. Here is an important question. Is HTML a programming language like C, C++, Java, etc.? And the simple answer is no. HTML is not a programming language. Rather, it's a markup language. By definition, a markup language consists of set of keywords, tags, and special characters that control the structure, formatting, and relationships of contents inserted between them. It controls the look of a document or a web page. HTML is all about tags. Each tag has two parts. One, the opening part, and the other is called the closing part. The opening part is usually written as tag name enclosed by angle brackets like this, while in closing part we put a slash before the tag name like this. Now let's understand more about them. So this is called a tag. And now if you put something between these two tags, then that part is called tag content. In this case, my website is called the tag content. And if you put something inside the opening part of the tag, it is called tag attribute. Now href mywebsitelink.com is called the tag attribute, which tells more information about the tag to the browser. And if you combine tag content, and tag attribute, it becomes an element. And if someone says that it is a tag, then the answer will be wrong because it has content and attribute, so it will be called as tag element. So I hope that you have understood the basic concept of HTML, and in the next lecture we will learn more about it, and I'll see you there. Bye bye.